Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So your name's Anthony?
Yep.
And what else in here, man?
Anthony DeNaples, Team DB Addicts. Just went with a sticker. Yep. We got everything in here is all my own brand. Right here. Team COVID-19 SPL. You can take one of those.
All right.
So, I am running 2.5s in the corners there, 3.5 center, 2 3.5 Neos up top, 3 ways in the front doors, 2 6.5s compression driver.
Okay.
2 ways in the rear doors, 2 6.5s, and 4 6.5s under the rear seat.
I'm gonna have to look at that real quick. Okay, so you got an underseat box built.
Yes.
All right. Is that an actual just ported?
Yeah, it's tuned at 28. The
Okay.
port is driver's side.
Okay. Can I go look at it?
Yeah.
All right. Anything under the hood?
I got a 390 12 under the hood.
Okay.
And then 105 amp hour LTO back in there.
Got it. All right. Nice. So the subs are face downward?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
How did you make it where it didn't hit the carpet?
A lot of engineering.
Because I'm looking at this like...
Yeah, a lot of engineering.
Wow. You always do some weird boxes. I remember your 8th order box.
That was a sick box, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that box got so many freaking views.
They did?
You know?
People like it then.
Yeah, people loved it.
Wow. Can I see under the hood? That way I see everything. Do you have any pictures of this box?
I may, yeah.
What's up, man? Hey, how you doing? JacobViral.
It ain't really that pretty, but
Yeah.
battery delete over there.
Alright.
The alt is actually penny copper. It's down low.
Okay. Yep. All good. And what year vehicle?
It's a 2016 Chevy Colorado.
Alright.
I got full long travel suspension on it.
Mm-hmm.
Suspension under the truck's about 16 grand.
Whoa.
And I've sent this truck probably 4 or 5 feet off the ground, all 4 wheels.
Jesus.
And I have pictures and videos of that.
Yeah. Alright. Nice.
So,
Alright.
yep.
Here, where's the amplifier?
All my amps are on the back wall, so I'm running.
There's no way to see those then.
Yeah, not really.
Don't worry about it.
But the amps I'm running, I got.
Yeah.
So I got a 80.2 mini running my dashboard, an 80.2 mini running the pillars, 204 running all 4 doors, and a 1800.1 running the bass.
So 1800, okay.
And all the amps are all Team COVID-19 SPL.
Okay. So you got everything under that name. Okay.
Everything's all.
What made you do Team COVID-19 name? Something different.
Just something different,
Yeah.
and but let's see.
And it's a good daily driver system. Oh yeah.
Especially since I have 2 car seats in here at most of the time.
All right, 2 kids?
Yep.
Oh, awesome, being a dad. I'm about to be a dad too. I got my daughter. We're gonna be born in November.
Oh,
Yeah, she's pregnant. Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
When in November?
Yep.
What's the date?
I don't know.
Oh.
She knows all the details.
So my youngest, hers is, she'll be 3. Let's see, let me find like a hardcore like sound quality song.
Okay. I'm gonna go look a little closer at the box while you found
Yep.
that. I didn't realize you had lights. It looks good.
Chill, I'm still going. Maserati, catch a body, she a hottie, call shorty who look like a Barbie, catch her like Cardi, party, what you want me, I can tell that she want me, cause I'm saucing in this bitch, saucing in this bitch. Girl, you tryna hit a ring, little boy, talk that shit, little boy, with the hits, little boy, no C's, no crib, little boy, hop in your crib, little boy, from the shit, little boy. They call me Bobby, cause I saw that chick, we could go. Cause I don't wanna see that hoe. And now I'm rolling the haters just like a bully. Cause I said he wants smoke, but I feel like they don't know me. Look out, look the way it's down, talking down. Bitch, I'm getting sick. Big food on my plate, yeah, else full of it. Yeah, that's how my check, yeah, cause I'ma be great. Skip this intro. I have a low attention span too, so don't worry about it. Yes. I think the thing about cartoon characters is like you can imagine how they look. Like you can just choose how they look. If she look like Marceline, then she pop a bean. If she rock with me, I can look to the scene. She's a fiend, strawberry ice cream. Meet me at the tree, and she asks, are you scared of me? Yeah, it don't matter, cause you look like Marceline. Кожен хоче бути на коні, нічого не робивши. Плачем, що живем, надій зарплату всю пропивши. Один за одним летять дні, їх не прожити більше. Хоч золото знайти, то не лінуйся, копай глибше. Нам би на халяву жити.
Yeah, man. And you actually can hear everything kind of clear from like what, 60 hertz all the way to 20k hertz.
Yeah.
Clean with the tweeters and music, so. Appreciate it, man.
For SQ?
Yeah. Oh yeah.